Hello folks, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to see all different operators available in JavaScript and interview question at the end of this video. So there are different types of operators available in JavaScript. Suppose you want to perform some mathematical operation, then you will use unary operator in that case. Suppose you want to initialize a variable or assign a value to any variable, then in that case you will use assignment operator. Suppose you want to compare a particular condition like your user age should be greater than 18 and user must have a voting card, then you are allowing your user to vote. Then in that case you can use logical operator, that is and user age greater than 18 and user having voting card. Suppose you want to compare a particular condition like in our previous case our user age should be greater than 18, then in this case you can use comparison operator, that age is greater than 18. So let's see all these operators in practical implementation. So back to Visual Code, we have declared a variable and initialized its value to 10. So now what we'll do, we will declare another variable and try to add 10 into our variable. So here the symbol in the middle is called as operator, which is increment operator, and the numbers on the both side of that operator are called as operands. So what this will do, this will take those two numbers and perform addition on them and store result into our result variable. So instead of logging I, now we will log raise to the console, and here we are getting 20. Same like addition, also you can perform subtraction with the help of decrement operator, and after saving the changes you can see subtraction is printed into the console. Same way you can perform any mathematical operation, that is multiplication, which is 10 into 10 will give 100. Also we can use our unary operators to negate the value of our variable. So see here what we are doing, we will try to negate the value of our I variable, and here you can see the value of positive 10 converted to minus 10. So in this way if you apply decrement operator to any variable, then it negates the value of that variable. The next operator is assignment operator, which is we have already seen. Here we have declared a variable I and assigned 10 value to it. So in JavaScript you can either change the value of 10 variable later also. So here we will remove that decrement operator, and after saving the changes here you can see the 20 is printed into the console. So this operator which is used to assign value to variable is called as assignment operator. So now let's see the logical operator, and first operator we are going to see is the logical not. So here we have declared a result variable and set its value to true, that is the boolean true. And what logical not operator does, that is declared with the help of exclamatory symbol, and if you apply this symbol in front of any boolean variable, then it converts true to false and false to true. So here after saving the changes you can see false is printed into the console. There are some unwritten rules for the not operator. Suppose you apply not operator to the number, then result is always false. Suppose you apply not operator to an empty string, then the result is true. Suppose you apply not operator to some non-empty string, then result is false. So now let's take a look at the logical AND operator. So for that we have declared the two variables, valid age then set to true and voting card also set to true. Suppose you want to check whether user is greater than 18 and he must have a voting card and then he is allowed to cast vote, then in that case what we will do, you will use the AND operator, and which returns true only if both of the variables are true. So if now we log the result to the console, we are getting true, but if we set any of those variable to false, then we will get false. So this is the same as the logical AND operator, and this is declared with the help of two ampersand symbols. The next operator, that is logical OR operator, is declared with the help of two pipe symbols like this, and it will return false only if both of the variables are set to false. Then it will return false. If any of these variables are set to true, then it will always return true. So the next and last type of operators are called as comparison operator. In previous example, as we are comparing the age, here we have declared a variable age and we are comparing age is greater than 18 with the help of comparison operator, that is equal to greater than sign. After saving the changes we are getting false because 18 is not greater than 18. Here if we convert it to 20, then we are getting true. In the same way you can use the less than operator to compare the value, we will get the result false. Along with them we have not equal to operator to check whether the two variables are equal to each other or not. Those are not, therefore we will get true. And we will equal to operator is used to check whether both of the variables are having same value or not. Look, we use single equal to sign to assign a value to variable like this, and we use double equal to operator to check whether both values are equal or not. So after saving the changes we will get false. So folks, that's it for the practical implementation. Now it's time for the interview question. Interview question says give output for the following JavaScript statement, console.log true greater than false. Can we do that? Yes, of course we can do that, because true gets converted to 1 and false to 0. Therefore 1 greater than 0 evaluates to true. So folks, make sure to subscribe if you like the tutorial. See you guys in upcoming tutorial.